So hello and welcome back, yet another video on how to, and this time we have a DPF from Ford Focus MK4, and this one is 1.5 diesel engine. So basically we have a clamp over here that you need to take out, few bolts. So this one, this here, and I did already took few out. So this cover, as you can see, JN1Q. So otherwise you have few more to take out, and the hardest one and the biggest problem is to take this underneath. So we have this electricity, that's a sensor, so, and this clamp over here that you need to take out. So that's the one holding it in the place. It's kind of hard to get in, so without it's a little bit harder. So so there is a bolt, this one. So this bolt goes in, and have this here and another piece. So yeah, so you take that out, and the rest is kind of a lot easier. So you need to unscrew these, or don't even need, just need to clip out. So that this is more easier like this, because you don't have the front bumper and everything. But when you have everything in here, it's a little bit harder, but still not that big of a deal. Still there is room for your hands and everything. So still need to unclamp this one. This is the turbine, and after that I believe just plug and play. Take out this one, put another one inside, or get to the deep clean, whatever is your choice of doing. So yeah, I hope this will help you. If you are not really good with tools and you don't know what you're doing, maybe better leave this to a mechanic. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.